Hello, today I'm in Dacia Lodgy. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. As you can see right here, behind the steering wheel we've got this media panel. When we are on radio panel right here and we press source button, we'll skip between main and options. Then this button allows us to answer and end the calls. These two buttons allows us to increase and decrease radio volume. Mode OK button brings us to radio list, and we can change radio station thanks to the panel that we can move on the back of this media panel, like this. To select radio station, press and hold list button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.